Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, then scroll all the way down and choose Additional Settings. Now Languages and Input, Manage Keywords and Gboard. Over here you need to click on Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, pick one of the available ones, like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch it off or on, and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply by tapping on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Now click on Done and enable all disable keyboarders by clicking on the switcher here. When you're ready, select Apply and click Home button. As you can see now, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!